Hello, my name is Bob Romarino. I'm from Sentry Equipment. We're the Electro freeze distributor in the greater Delaware Valley. And we're going to make some black raspberry truffle ice cream today.
I'm Angelo, by the way.
And this is Angelo. And Angelo is also one of the sales reps from Sentry Equipment. Okay, this is our model B12E batch freezer. It's a 3-gallon machine or 12-quart machine. 3-quart cylinder. Our dasher has 3 blades. The blades are always in contact with the wall of the cylinder, which gives us very, very good scraping action. When we are done, we can open this up and you'll see that all the ice cream is removed from the walls of the cylinder. We have one latch to close the door. The door can be removed anytime. Go to the sink to wash. Very easy. One latch locks the door closed. We have a clear gate so you can see your product inside the cylinder. We have a very large fill spout on the top. There is a built-in water hose and valve for cleaning and washing the machine. Okay, so the machine is going to probably take about 7 minutes to make the ice cream. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and measure out all our ingredients and get it into the machine. Okay, so Angela is going to take, and what we're going to do is we're going to take half of this product and pour it in the machine, but first we're going to measure out our black raspberry flavor. So we're going to measure 2 ounces of the flavor. And we're going to pour half our mix into the machine. Go ahead, Angela is going to pour half the mix into the machine.
So half this bag?
Half the bag, yeah. Then we're going to pour this in and let the mix wash down the flavor. But I want to make sure I get all my flavor into the machine. And the other thing you can do is you can pour some of the mix right into the cup if you wish. Okay, good. Okay. We'll pour the rest of the mix in there, Ange. Thank you. If you notice, I'm wearing a apron and Angelo's wearing a smock because the smocks didn't come in short. Okay, so we have all our ingredients in our machine. So now what I'm going to do is turn my dasher on and mix it up a little bit. We have 2 separate switches, one for the dasher, one for the refrigeration. Okay? After I mix it up a little, I'm going to go ahead and turn my refrigeration switch on. And you'll notice this light will come on. That lets us know our compressor is running. And I'm going to go ahead and set this timer for about 7 minutes. And we're running. We're going to go now. We're running. Okay, after about 7 minutes, I'm going to check my product and make sure it's got the right consistency to start accepting air. And once I see that, I'm going to shut my compressor off and then whip the product with the dasher on for approximately a minute or so to add some air to the product.